This is a dividing line, literally, between Hartford and West Hartford. Nice houses on that side. Equally nice houses on this side. Equally nice people. I know some neighbors that convene with one another. Sunflowers, look. What's the difference? I want to explore that because suburban versus urban have, in their cities, divided. Suburban generally prosperous, urban just barely eking it out unless you are a hot city like New York, Chicago of late, San Francisco certainly. What about Hartford? Been left behind, but not by its people, not by its resources, probably by its government. The people here, same types. They even have parties across the road. They work on gardens together. It's the same neighborhood. But on Prospect Avenue, the east side, which is Hartford, and the west side, which is West Hartford, have very different presents and probably very different futures unless we do something about it. Hartford used to be the place for nightlife. When I was growing up, you went into Hartford. Now, West Hartford has more restaurants than any place between Boston and New York. That maybe New Haven above that. That's a big deal. Businesses, they don't come to downtown Hartford. They come to little pods in the suburbs. The differences that Hartford could turn to are done best in the legislature. Maybe in their own governance. To some extent, the city's own governance could be improved as well. I am running for the legislature. I am the 1st District Assembly candidate right here in this part of Hartford. Please, especially if you're a Hartford resident, pass this on to others in your district. Let them see what a new generation of better legislators with urban in mind can do for you. I'm Mark Stewart, also known as Stewart for Hartford. Thanks for listening. Please pass it on.